Hey guys, I'm just coming back to do a follow up on the last video I did, which was how to build a song structure for composing songs, right? And when I ended the video, I hadn't actually shown a full song structure. But apart from this video, if you want to see that, you can go back to my previous videos and you'll be able to see things like that. But for this video, I'm going to show you a song structure, and because I did hip hop and R&B last time, I'm gonna ask it just for this demonstration to pull up like lyrics into the song structure, and we're going to go down it, and I just want to show you a song structure in full, because when I looked at the video that I made last time, I hadn't actually showed you the whole song structure. We just individually went through and looked for the information about each aspect of the song structure. So for this video, I'm not going to individually ask for the information. I'm going to try my best and hopefully show another technique in how you can do things. You don't have to go step by step. If you can find what you want, all the information that you want, and ask the right questions, you might be able to get that without having to pull things up individually. So we're going to give that a go this time. I'm doing my very best. Personally, I want my videos to be in between 8 minutes and 15 minutes. On the next video or in the future videos, I might show you why down the line, but that's a goal that I have, is to keep my video duration within that time, within 8 minutes and 15 minutes. Again, I'll explain to you why in a future video. But for this video, we're going to just show you a full structure, song structure, and we're going to base it on hip hop and R&B for you. And instead of going through individually to pull up that information, I'm going to try to get it very quickly, and then hopefully it'll give me some time to explain either what's happening in the process or what we see there. So let's give it a go. Hey, oh, my mistake. Hey, are you able to build me a hip hop and R&B song with the structure being verse, chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, and then double chorus out, please. Based on hip hop and R&B, and let's just do a romantic vibe, please. Just before we get, because I've got a little bit of time so far, just before we get into this, guys, I want to just explain, and I've explained in previous videos, if you take too long to explain something, it could come up with something that says, like, speech not detected, okay? So just be aware of that. If you want a lot of information fast, and you've got to tell it what you want, you got to be aware that you've got a time to do that if you're speaking through the mic. If you type it through, I'm not too sure. I don't do things that way. It's more efficient for me to use the mic. But just so you know, that can come up, okay? So make sure you really know what you want to ask it before you do that. But I'm hoping, so thinking about the information I've just put in, I'm hoping it's done that for me. But again, read the prompts, it'll guide you through, use your intuition, use your discernment, and you'll find that you can do quite a lot with ChatGPT, and super efficient, guys. But I just, when I look back at that previous video, I realized I hadn't actually left you guys with an actual song structure. And just for this demonstration purpose, I just thought it would be cool to add like lyrics in there. But we'll see. Let's go for it. and it's super cool. Look how it's told me, guys. I want a romantic hip hop and R&B with the structure you asked for. So it absolutely gave me the structure I asked for. Again, like the previous one, and if you want to know what you can do with structure, I've explained that all in the previous video. So go back and watch it. Drop a like, please. Comment on it, and if you want any feedback or changes, or you've got queries about anything, hey, look, I'm happy to comment back and give you some information of what I know. This is for educational purposes. I'm learning as much as I'm trying to show the viewers what you can use ChatGPT for, right? And see that, hopefully you don't get feeling of dissatisfaction with the results, because hopefully if you're learning from this, you can see that there's a lot of things you can do to get a satisfactory result, guys. So here we go. It's done it exactly how I've asked. And if you want to know about bars and things like that, go back to my previous video again, because it tells you what what a verse commonly, how many bars it has in it. In the future videos, I'm gonna get more into depth in how you can efficiently get help from ChatGPT when you're composing music, okay guys? And so stay tuned, watch this space. So here we go, verse 1. Again, we're looking at song structure, guys. Chorus, I just wanted to show you a song structure and an action with lyrics and things like that. To be honest, guys, if you did want to make music this way and write songs this way, I highly suggest, I wouldn't know because I'm not really going through. Here we go, bridge, double chorus out just like I wanted. I'll go down there again. But I highly suggest, guys, that you ask ChatGPT. If you want to keep these songs that you're making with ChatGPT or any AI, for that, you can ask them, hey, are these lyrics that other people have written? Can you please analyze right across the world, using your system data to see if these are somebody else's lyrics, because you don't want that, guys. That's one hot tip I can give you, red hot tip. And also when you're naming your songs, just make sure that they're not copyrights, eh? Because who knows, if you're not specific, AI can absolutely do that. They're super clever, and you've got to guide them to uniqueness, if you know what I mean. So I know I do this all the time, and I'm super sorry, but I'll give you one more scroll down. Verse. And hopefully having the lyrics in there can give you an idea of how many bars you need or what it should look like. Chorus, verse, and if you watched my previous video, can you see something here? I haven't even added a pre-chorus, which is just like absolute proof, guys. You do not have to have pre-choruses. Structure, you can structure your song differently, however you want to structure your song. Obviously, if they're gonna be good and feel good, you got to feel it out, right? And for me personally, my song structure changes by the way the song feels. That's me personally, how I write. I go by the feel of the song, whether it be the instruments, whether it be the lyrics that I'm talking about and things like that, you know? But if you're new to songwriting, these can absolutely help. In the future videos, I'll be showing you how ChatGPT can help you with chord progressions, common chord progressions that are played within the genre that you're choosing. You know, common instruments that are usually used in that genre that you're using. I can't specifically show in what you use, but I'll try and I'll try and do it over a broad genre with different videos so that everybody's got a quick place to go to have efficient help into composing. Guys, look, I'm going to leave the video there. I absolutely hope that you guys, I'll give it another scroll. I hope you guys take something away from this and really learning. Let me know how these videos are and what you'd like me to add to these things or not talk about, you know, and I'll use my discernment and see how I can be of service to those comments. Guys, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I hope these are teaching you something. Again, I'm going to say these are for educational purposes. And like I said, there will be also future videos of talking about why I've got a goal of having my videos in a certain duration of time, which is 8 to 15 minutes. Within that time frame, I'll be pretty happy. And then in future videos, not just yet, but I'll also be making videos on how to build business plans, how to make business models, how to make company models, how to make high leverage business models, how to make high mitigation plans, things like that. So I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like, give us a comment, yeah, and even leave in the comments what you would like me to, what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future also. I hope everyone's having a great day. We'll see you on the next video.